KHEMNAR Atcfoem Arts Technical Campus in MBA department, Charles Ahmednagar. Last lecture discussed the cash flow statement and next is net profit before tax and extraordinary item. And today's lecture discuss the cash flow statement before subject advanced financial management, and next unit first financial planning and shareholder value. Topic first is fund flow statement and topic second cash flow statement. Show the cash flow statement. Previous lecture discussed the net profit before tax and extraordinary item, and today's lecture discuss the cash from operating. Show the cash from formulas. Formula cash from operating activities. Cash from operating.
Start.
Show the formula cash from operating activity. Operating activity is equal to. Show the formula cash from operating activity is equal to operating profit before working capital changes. Operating profit before working capital changes. Changes plus net
Start.
capital changes plus net increase in current liability plus net increase in current liability. Liabilities minus net increase in current asset. Net increase in current asset net increase in current asset minus net decrease in current liability. Minus net decrease in current liability. Show the formula cash from operating activity. Show the topic cash flow statement. That's why formula cash from operating activity is equal to operating profit before working capital changes. Plus before working operating profit, which is our operating profit before working capital changes. Okay. Plus net increase in current liability. Net increase in current liability minus net increase in current asset. Net increase in current asset minus net decrease in current liability. This is a formula is cash from operating activity. And next one is for example cash flow from operating activities. Example of cash outflow from investing activities. Cash outflow from investing activity. Investing activity. Investing activities, and first one is purchase of fixed asset. Purchase of fixed asset, which is our fixed asset purchase from fixed asset. Purchase from fixed asset, which is a fixed asset, land, building, machinery, land, building, machinery, and furniture. Cash outflow from investing activity, which is our investing activity, purchase from fixed asset. For example, purchase from fixed asset, land, first one is land, building, machinery and furniture. This is a cash outflow from investing activity. And next one is purchase of intangible asset. Next example, purchase from intangible asset. From intangible asset. Purchase from intangible assets. For example, goodwill, trademark, intangible asset, which is our intangible asset, goodwill, trademark, etc. And next one is purchase of share and debentures. This is a cash outflow from investing activity. Purchase of share and debentures. Purchase of shares and debentures. And next one is purchase of government bond. Purchase of government bond. And next one is loan made to third parties. Investing activity, cash from operating activity, cash outflow from investing activity. For example, first one is purchase from fixed asset, which is our fixed asset, land, building, machinery. This is investing activity, investing item, land, building, machinery and furniture. This is a fixed asset and investing activity. Next one is purchase from intangible asset, which is our intangible asset. For example, goodwill, trademark. And next one is purchase of shares and debentures. And fourth one is purchase of government bond. This is a cash outflow. This is a investing activity. And last one is loan made to third parties. This is a cash from operating activities. And example, cash outflow from investing activity. For example, this is a 5 type example. First one is purchase from fixed asset. Second one, purchase from intangible asset. And purchase of shares and debentures. And purchase of government bond. And last one is loan made to third parties. This is the example cash outflow. And next one is financing activity. This is a investing activity. And next topic are the cash paid and received from activities with non-current or long-term liability. With non-current and long-term liabilities. Show the financing activity. Financing activity, cash flow from financing activity are the cash paid and received from activity with non-current and long-term liability. Non-current and long-term liabilities and shareholder capital. Capital. This is the financing activity, and next one is cash flow arising from financing activity. Cash flow arising from financing activity. First one is cash proceeds from the issue of shares. First one is cash proceeds from the issue of shares. From the issue of shares or other similar instrument Second one is cash proceeds from the issue of debentures loan, note, bond and other short-term borrowing. Loan, note, bond and other short-term borrowing. And third one is cash repayment of the amount borrowed. Cash repayment of the amount borrowed. Cash repayment of the amount borrowed. This is the financing activity. Show the financing activity. debentures, loan